Hey everyone, and welcome to my Credit Pilot review. This credit score tool helps you monitor, understand, and improve your credit. Find links and more details in the description below. Let's dive into its features, who it's for, and why it shines. Credit Pilot gives you streamlined access to your credit score and report, keeping you informed about your financial health. Real-time monitoring sends instant alerts about changes, like new accounts, inquiries, or potential fraud, so you can protect your credit and make smart decisions. One standout feature? Credit Pilot's educational resources. It explains the factors affecting your score, like payment history, credit utilization, and credit history length. So, you understand the why behind your score and how to boost it. It also offers personalized improvement recommendations. Based on your profile, Credit Pilot suggests actionable steps, like paying down balances, disputing errors, or adjusting spending habits. For identity protection, Credit Pilot includes basic fraud detection, notifying you of suspicious activity. This added security is great for safeguarding your financial info. Credit Pilot is for anyone wanting a user-friendly tool to manage and improve their credit. It's especially helpful for those building or rebuilding credit, or preparing for loans or mortgages. In short, Credit Pilot is a practical tool that combines monitoring, education, and actionable insights. Take control of your financial health. Check the description for links to learn more and optimize your credit today.